Hello and welcome back to another exciting session. I'm your host Maheshkariya. You're watching me on YouTube now, and today I'm gonna take you through ArrayList, okay, which is a kind of dynamic array, okay. And here are few things that you need to know before proceeding. That this is a resizable array, unlike the regular array where it was static, but here you can say that this is the dynamic array with no size limit, okay. And after that, the another parameter is non-synchronized, okay. So this is also really very helpful for us that we get the random access, so based on the indexes, and there are few cons as well, that the updating is slower, okay, because the kind of there are few things that we need to know, that why we are using array list, okay. There is linked list as well, so there are few cons and few like pros based on what you want to do. You want to update the data, then go forward with the linked list. You want to search the data, you need a faster performance, then you can go with the array list, okay. And after that we get the best thing, that it maintains the insertion order, which is really very cool. And after that, the syntax is pretty easy, okay. So it comes with util package, okay, where you can check the further things as well. And this is the simplest example of where you need to define array list, okay, names and new array list, and that's it, finish. After that, there are few methods, basic methods, where you will get add all, okay. After that, clear to like empty the array. And after that, get based on the indexes, okay, 0 1 2. Remove and remove all, of course, you can use in order to remove, and the size. And there are lots of inbuilt methods as well, but these are the common ones. And now let's get back to VS Code, and we'll try to create a new array list over here, okay. So let me create a new array list. So this one will comes under util package, okay. You can provide, like, you need to provide the type actually, okay, which should be a wrapper class, not primitive class. And here you can define like names. Based on that, you can provide new array list. This is it. After that, I'm gonna add few things over here, okay. So this is the names dot add, and I'm gonna add few names, like Mahesh is my name, my father's name is Deepak, let's say, okay. And after that, I'm gonna say my mother's name is Meena, sister name is Pooja, okay. Here we go. And after that, I'm gonna use system.out, where I'm gonna print names, okay. So yeah, this is the way, and this is how it will work, okay. So let me run this thing quickly, and let me see what I get. So let me resize this thing quickly. So we got the array list over here, you can see, okay. So this is the simplest way. After that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to remove few things, okay. So names dot remove, okay, and let me remove myself, okay. So I'm out of home currently, so let me run this thing, and you can see it's working fine. Let me try to remove with the help of index if possible. I haven't tried this, I guess. So let me remove, okay. And now I'm gonna remove this thing. So yeah, this is working as well. And now I'll try to clear this thing, okay. And let me try this again, and here we go. And after that, size I want to print, so I'll say SOUT, and I'll say names dot size. And like the way we can define the size, but we'll print size here before removing and after removing, and we'll see what we get the output. So yeah, we have the size of 4 after we got the size of 0 and empty array list, okay. And the few things we can do, like we can update the data as well after that, here somewhere I'll try to update, okay, with the help of index. So index I'll say 0, and after that I'll say again back to normal. Okay, and I was not sure Mahesh was at 0 position. Okay, let me try. So I'm getting, okay, sorry, a semicolon was missing. Let me try this again. So I need to print, I need to comment this out, otherwise it will, okay. So I got this Meena and Pooja. So at 0th position I'm trying to okay, I'm removing this 0 here, that's why. So yeah, you can see here I got this one. Okay, so and this was the easiest way. Now if you want to loop through it, the simplest way is to use for loop, where you can define string and the like name, you can say, and after that inside names you're gonna use so out. Okay, where you can define the name, and there are few other ways as well. If you wanna use a while loop, you can check like uh, you can use the iterators as well. Okay, and lots of other stuff you can do here. And one more thing, like if you want to try a few other methods, what you can do, you can click here and you can check all the possible, like you can directly add the list here, and the clone method that we are familiar with, you can check with the contents. If Mahesh, it names contains Mahesh, then you can say the gender is male, let's say. So this is how you can say if you got Mahesh based on your if condition, then you can proceed with so out. Okay, let's say Mahesh is there. This is how you will get the message Mahesh is there. You can try the different methods as well, like clear clone contains all, you can check with the help of list equals for each that you can use directly over here, don't need to do anything, and rest of the few other things that you can use if you want, guys. So yeah, this is it. This is all about ArrayList, and this is how it works. Okay, so the main core thing is, if you want faster performance, fastest kind of, if you want to search something, it's really very easy. Okay, because of indexing and the insertion order and random access, we can say, but the updation is quite tricky. So it takes a time, okay, to perform the updation. So this is it. This is all we need to know about ArrayList for now. So thank you so much all of you guys for being with me, supporting me all the time. It's been pleasure to be here. Please let me know inside comment box what you want from my side. Definitely I'll make it for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the smash that like button if you enjoyed, and you can contribute with the help of thanks button as well. Thank you so much for your time, guys.